To enable Windows Defender on Windows 11, we first have to navigate to the Start menu on the taskbar and click on it. A pop-up menu will appear with a tons of options. Continue to tap on Settings, and then with this selected, on the left panel we have a lot of navigation menus. Continue to tap on Privacy and Security, and under Privacy and Security we're going to tap on Windows Security, and this is where the magic will happen. Make sure to tap on Virus and Threat Protection and allow it a bit of moment to finish loading, and then under Virus and Threat Protection settings we're going to make sure we tap on Turn On, and after we turn on the Virus and Threat Protection, make sure you also proceed to tap on the Manage Settings, and this will lead you to an interface like this, in particular with the Cloud Delivered Protection, and this has to be toggled on. And under Automatic Sample Submission we also have to toggle this on, and with the Tamper Protection we also have to toggle it on. And when we scroll up to the bottom we will see Control Folder Access. Make sure to tap on Manage Control Folder and proceed to toggle this on. And that's it. You have successfully enabled Windows Defender on your Windows 11. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribe and give this video a like. See you in the next video.